guys, today I'm playing this game called Monkey Realm. It's my first ever time playing it, so I hope you guys enjoy so much. Let's get into the video. So yeah, I've already bought some stuff, but let's go into a private code. My friend told me just know a bit, like the basics that you need to know. So let's just go into a different room. Let's put in the code KI. KK. Code is KK. So I'm in the code KK. So let me go check how many bananas I got. Because like in Girl Tag we have shiny rocks. In Monkey Realm we have bananas. I know that's sus, but still. Okay, don't ask. Let's see how many. I've got 1,070. So it's like a support me thing. Super bundle. I don't want to risk it. No. Yeah, no. Oh, it's down here. Ooh. Oh, it's just some secret stuff. I didn't need to know that. Okay, oh. We got some food here. Now that's just adorable. I should get that. There's nothing really else here I won. That's sus. That's cool. That's back to school. I hate school. None of these are really that cool. Honestly, I love animals. If there's anything they can forget. Okay, I think I've tapped it now. Dressing room. How would I buy stuff? Yeah, I'm gonna keep this on. Yeah, so just walk out. Wait, do I have them on? Let's go to the mirror. See if I have them on. So if you don't know, I'm recording a video on my other thing that I've got. So I'm recording on my iPad and I'm also recording on my MetaQuest. So iPad, I'm recording on my MetaQuest, I'm recording on my iPad as well. So what's this? Yeah, I'm gonna need music. I don't like the music that much. It's how many people are in this? Wait, why did it say ow, that hurts? What did it say? It says never ask for mod or else it's a chat. I've heard of there's a back room here, so let me just tap it. Oh. There's so many fingerprints, but it's from me obviously, so. Monkeycraft? Whoa, what's in here? What? Oh, there's a tube. I thought there wasn't a tube. Touch a block to unlock. Touch a block to... Okay, so don't touch that. I'm going on a rampage. Wait, did it say touch a block or did it... Wait, my controller just kind of... Touch a block to... Okay. Touch a block to unlock. How many blocks are there? They just need to tell me that. Does it open? Nope. I need to jump up to the class panel. There. I haven't got that. I mean, hopefully. There's one block that I know is going to be hard to unlock. Oh. So I should go on the parkour onto the trees. Damn it. How else would I get on that? I'm not good at this game, so I think I've unlocked every block that I could unlock. Wait, is that a block? So how... Hold A to open my... So people they probably think I have mods. Now what's over here? Oh, I don't like it. Hold up. Oh, fly with a left. Fly with the left. What? Fly with left trigger? No, this is multiplayer. I don't have anyone to play with. Music by... No, stop. What? Yeah, it's multiplayer. Get back up there. Oh, I have no one to play with. But I was flying. It's St. David's Day, guys, so, like, that's... because I'm wearing a Welsh t-shirt. Monkey Craft. Okay, I'll explore the back rooms. It's not really the back rooms, but... Yes, yeah. Let's go in the elevator. You know, like, I get stuck by the button pound. I don't like this. Stop! Wait, monkeys on application? Oh, it's Elmer, but he's raging. Cars? Cars? Wait, what? Where did I go? Oh. Where did I go? There's cars? I don't like this. Get me out. How do I go back? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, bye-bye.
Right. Off to me. I'm